Take beautiful, tasty, and delicious fresh trout, wash it thoroughly, put it on the newspaper. Now scale it from tail to head. Put knife in the butthole and open it up like so. Now take the guts out. Pull it out, gut the trout. With scissors, cut off the fins. Wash everything inside and outside again. Olive oil in the dish. Put trout in the dish like this. Make incisions. Regular fish spice on top of the trout. Rub it in gently so it goes inside like so for beautiful flavor like this. Rub all the way in. Italian herbs spice goes on top. Spread it around. Rub it in. Spice it up like so. Spice it up inside with multi-spice. Cut potatoes into wedges. Add a little potatoes into the dish with the trout like this. A little more potatoes. And now spice it up with the regular potato spice. So it's going to be delicious. Okay, oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. Put it in for 40 minutes. Alright, 40 minutes passed. Take out the trout. Let's see. This is how we like it. Beautiful, steamy, delicious. It's not overcooked. Meat is beautifully cooked. Delicious, tasty, and delicious. Yummy trout. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.